This tutorial will walk you through the steps to enable Zotero to connect to MacLinks, so that you can easily find out if McAllister has access to an article or other items through interlibrary loan. This demonstration is a Mac system. The Zotero app in Windows has the same functionality, but the placement of the preference may be slightly different. First, go to Zotero on the menu bar, then click on Preferences. Select Advanced. In the section labeled Open URL, the default drop-down selection is Custom. This setting determines what system Zotero will use to look up an article. To set this to the MacLink system, click on the button Search for Resolvers. Sometimes the drop-down box displaying Custom does not appear to change, but when you click on drop-down, you are now able to select McAllister College. When McAllister is selected, the URL in the Resolver box will lead to MacLinks. Close the preference screen. That's it. Now, when you're on the main screen of Zotero, with a list of items, you can use the Locate button. It looks like a green arrow to locate items. This works best with articles. Select an article you wish to locate. Click on the green arrow to bring up the choices available to you, and select Library Lookup. The MacLink system will open in a browser window and either link you to the full text or give you the option of requesting articles through ILL. Note the lookup system and MacLinks works for the articles, but not for books.